Greetings to all my dear students. Today let us continue with Unit 2. It is a prose, as you know. The title of the prose is That Sunday Morning. As we have seen section 1, today we are going to see section 2. As Savita was ahead of her brother and she was trying to reach and she reached level to him, then she was ahead of her brother now. I could see the corner in a gaze. She said, I could see the corner in a gaze. She was telling that I can see the corner now. I was starting to whoop with glee. She was trying to whoop with glee. She was very happy to see the corner. She knows that I am going to reach that corner. Now my brother will be the loser. I will be the winner. So she started to move on and she was starting to whoop the glee, but the whoop froze on my lips. The whoop froze on my lips. There, right in the middle of the road, she was very happy, to see the corner. As she was going to reach to that corner, but the whoop froze on my lips. The glee, the happiness that could see on her lips. Right in the middle of the road stood a lone cow. See children, as you know that when you go for a race that you are going to win, you will have that happiness. In the same way, Savita also had that happiness that she is going to reach that corner and she is going to win her brother. That is what she had in her mind as she was riding fast. There, right in the middle of the road, stood a lone cow. Now what a tragic is going to be, children. See, when you are going as fast as you can to reach that destination, to that corner, in the middle of the road, if you see some obstacles, what happens? You will be disappointed. She could see a cow on the middle of the road. Right in the middle of the road stood a lone cow. When you see the roads are not clear, someone is there on the road, or the crowd or the rally is taking place, what happens? You will be disappointed. Come on, when I will be reaching to my destination, to that corner. See, she also might have seen a cow on the road. That also middle of the road. Maybe she was frightened of cow. We do not know. I jammed on the brake. See, when you see someone on the road, it is telling you to go ahead. So you put a brake on the cycle or bike or a car. In the same way, she jammed on the brakes and the cycle stopped abruptly. Suddenly, cycle was stopped because you have put the brake. So suddenly the cycle stopped. But I could not stop the momentum of my own body. See, she put the brake to stop the bicycle, but she was not able to stop the momentum of her own body. Momentum means the force of the moving body, because she is coming with a full of force to reach that corner. I flew over the handlebars and landed smack on the back of the unfortunate animal. See, as she put the brake and she was not able to control her body, and she jumped over the handlebars and landed on the unfortunate animal. What is that unfortunate animal? The cow. Over the cow she was now. Unfortunate means unlucky. She was unlucky to reach to that destination, that corner. So she put the brake and over the handlebar and landed on that animal. The cow, startled by his sudden attack. What happens to the cow? Suddenly someone came and sat on his body, on her body. Then it started to move, frightened. The cow also is frightened. Reared upon and up and started running. I clung to her for dear life. Clung means holding tightly on her. Now when you love your parents, what happens? You want to kiss your mother or something to give. You want to show a lot of love to your mother. You go and hug, no, one hold on your mother. So she was liking her life so much. We also love our life, isn't it? She want to be safe in the place. She want to save her life. So she was with a full of frightened by this sudden attack. The cow was frightened by the sudden attack and reared up and started running here and there. But Sir was clung to her for dear life as she charged up the road and round the corner. See, now the cow is rounding here and there with full of frighten. Come on, now which human being or animal is on my body? I don't know what happened. And now the cow also want to save her life. Sabida also want to save her life. She loves her dear life. As we turned, I spotted 2 rows of resplendent cavalry officers. Resplendent means brilliant in appearance. They were very good looking. Cavalry, a unit of the army serving on horseback. Unit of the army was coming. So she was a little bit courageous. Come on, they will save me. That is what her thought going on. As we turned, I spotted 2 rows of resplendent cavalry officers mounted on their magnificent horses coming towards us. Magnificent means very grand. No, grand. So she thought it is coming towards us. It will save me and as well as the cow. That is what she thought it. They obviously belong to the governor's bodyguard. They belong to the governor's bodyguard. See, the resplendent cavalry officers mounted on their magnificent horses. Mounted means they were on the horses. Magnificent, as you know, grand. No, when majestically they were coming. Then she thought it is coming towards them, towards us. They obviously, surely belong to the governor's bodyguard. They are surely belong to the governor's bodyguard. I could only cling on helplessly as the horses, because she also is trusting on the horse and the officers. They will save them. That is what. The horses panicked and scattered. See, now horses also got frightened. They panicked. They are in fear. How will they move on? Seeing them, she is on the horse, on the cow. The cow is frightened and she also frightened. Now horses also frightened. They were panicked and scattered here and there. There was a regular stampede. Stampede means rush. There was a rush. The cow managed to fall into a ditch and in the process. Now cow got frightened. Seeing the horses scattered, they were like an army coming towards them. So the cows got frightened and fall into the ditch. See, ditch, you know, it is like a pit. The mud can be very soft. The sand can be very soft. Stamped means rush. The horses were in rush. No? And they scattered here and there. The cow managed to fall into a ditch and in the process dislodged. Dislodged means freed. Okay, come on, I escaped from these horses because now it is on the ditch, no? So it is like a soft mud. And I landed on the soft earth bordering the ditch. Dislodged means freed. And I landed on the soft earth bordering the ditch. Now the cow also fell down. Obviously, she also will be on the cow. It is on the soft mud. It is on the ditch. Now someone has to go and save both of them. Savita as well as the cow. Because it is inside the ditch. So dear children, I hope you understood this part 2. You can read and understand it. Very interesting story of Savita Singh. What she experienced that she has written here. Okay, thank you.